I'm back with another What I Eat in a Day video. I'll be making some easy and delicious recipes, so come along.
So for breakfast, I had tofu scramble and a potato waffle. So I'm starting out by dicing up a half of red pepper and 1/4 of a yellow onion, and I'm going to saute it. Once it's sauteed, I'm going to add some tofu and season it with garlic powder, black pepper, and black salt. Also a little bit of turmeric for color. For the potato waffles, I microwaved 2 potatoes on each side for 4 minutes. I just wrapped it in a paper towel. Now I'm slicing it down the middle, and I'm going to season it with some onion powder, some sea salt, some black pepper, and some garlic powder. Also a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm placing 1 potato in the Belgian waffle maker, and I'm going to cook it until it's crispy. You can also use a panini maker. And now I'm just going to drizzle everything with ketchup and sriracha. For lunch, I had a mushroom and sweet potato sushi burrito. Here I have 1 chopped up sweet potato. I'm adding some garlic powder, some sea salt, some black pepper, and a little bit of cayenne pepper. I'm drizzling it with some grapeseed oil, and I'm going to bake it at 400 degrees for about 25 minutes or until crispy. For the mushrooms, I just sauteed some onions and garlic, and I'm going to add the mushrooms and season it with salt and pepper. Now I'm adding some jasmine rice to a nori sheet, and I'm just spreading it over it. Now I'm adding the mushrooms and the roasted sweet potatoes, and I'm going to roll it into a burrito. And I'm drizzling it with a little bit of teriyaki sauce. For dinner, I had tofurkey barbecue chicken, sauteed mushrooms, and cauliflower mac and cheese. I added about 1½ cups of elbow macaroni noodles into some boiling water and a handful of cauliflower, and I'm just going to let it cook according to the box, which was 7 minutes. Now I'm adding some garlic powder, some black pepper, and some sea salt, along with 1 tablespoon of dairy-free butter, and I'm going to mix that all together. Now I'm adding about 1½ cups of dairy-free cheddar cheese. I'm using daiya cheese. And I'm going to mix that up and add 1/4 cup of almond milk. I'm adding the mac and cheese to a casserole dish, and I'm going to bake it at 350 for about 30 minutes. After 30 minutes, I took it out of the oven and I mixed it up to spread the cheese. For the breadcrumb topping, I added 1 tablespoon of melted dairy-free butter and 3 tablespoons of Italian breadcrumbs. And now I'm crumbling the breadcrumbs on top of the mac and cheese. And I'm going to let it broil for about 3 minutes or till it's golden brown. For the barbecue chicken, I just sauteed some onions and garlic, and then I added the tofurkey chunks and some barbecue sauce.
So that sums up today's video. Everything was fairly easy to make and really good. If you try any of the recipes, feel free to tag me at NomNomToFitness on Instagram and Twitter, and I'll see you in my next video. Oh, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Hey, Ben Ben. Hey, Bentley boy. So cute.